following is a public service announcement for the band Fake High Fives.
Hey, I'm Trey.
And I'm Donnie.
And we're with the band Fake High Fives.
Nope.
I'm gonna let you know that our music is awesome. Here at Fake High Fives, we love explosions.
Do you love explosions?
We love explosions, and our music's so awesome, it'll make your eardrums explode! Boom! 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 Boom!
Fake High Fives is so great, it makes me want to kill hookers with this sword!
Not my hooker. Boom! Fake High Fives music is so awesome, it'll make you wear a helmet on a motorcycle in a garage.
Garage!
Boom!
Thunder! 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 Just kidding! Fake High Fives!
Boom!
You ever played pool on an invisible pool table?
Fake High Fives has. Boom! Fake High Fives is so cool, we don't have to leave a garage to be awesome.
Garage!
Awesome!
Diapers!
Bat!
Cat!
Mayonnaise!
Condoms!
Yes!
High five?
Nope!
Explosions? Yep!
Boom! Fake High Fives is so awesome, so is every song we listen to.
Awesome!
Boom! Long story short, we're famous.
You're not.
High five?
Nope.
Listen to our music.
Roll credits.
That was a public service announcement for Fake High Fives. The fake High Fives? What is it? It's Fake High Fives, right? Fake High Fives.